Hello, today I'm going to walk you through a problem that is going to show you what happens with assignment with objects. So our question here is, consider the following code segment. Trace what happens in memory. What is the output? So this is really just tracing assignments. So we are going to start at the top, and right here we have a simple declaration instantiation. It wants us to make an array called mun. And mun is going to have 3 elements. And I'm going to go ahead and label my index positions 0, 1, and 2. That one's done. So now we'll go to the second line, and it wants us to declare an int array called twos that's going to have 10 elements. So we'll call this one twos. It's going to point here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's label our index positions 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Next line wants us to assign the value 15 into twos at index position 4. So let me find index position 4, and we'll put 15 in there. Next line, we're going to take the element value 6 and we're going to assign it to mun at index position 2. So we'll find our mun array and index position 2, and we'll put a 6. Now we're taking twos and we're assigning it to mun. So what's going to happen here is, instead of mun pointing to this array that's got the 3 elements, mun is now going to point to this array. And the original Monday array, lost in space. All right, so now we've got our next line is we're going to assign the value 11 to mun 4. So now mun 4 again is pointing to this big array, this 10 element array. We'll find index position 4, which currently has a 15, but we're going to replace it with 11. Next line, on the twos array, we're going to put the element 3 in index position 4. So twos array, again, it's a 10 element array. We'll find index position 4. It's right there. It used to have 11 in it. Now it's going to have 3. And then it wants us to print out mun 4. Well, if I look at the big array, because there's only one array here, mun 4 is right here, and 3 is what is going to be printed out for us.